Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the comment feature inside the MKT Care software. In the comment function, we have three main options: regular comments, keyword-based comments, comment replace first. Let's look at regular comments. The general settings stay the same as before. I usually keep the delay between actions at 30 to 40 seconds. For content settings, I normally use pre-made comment templates that I've prepared beforehand. You can also use the AI content generator. If you don't have much time, just click select content and choose the content you want later. I'll record a full tutorial showing how to create content and how to send it. You can allow content duplication between accounts, between actions, or between different profiles depending on your needs. Next, we have the profile ID, group ID, post ID configuration. You can also load a whole list of groups or reels. For profile comments, simply paste the profile ID. If you enter multiple IDs, make sure to adjust the number of IDs in the settings here. Usually, letting each account comment once per profile is enough. You can also enable avoid commenting on duplicate IDs. Comment on the latest post of that ID. React to the post before or after commenting for groups you already joined. The tool will automatically comment in groups that your accounts are a member of. Everything here works similarly across the options. In the group list section, you can select the specific groups you've already joined. I personally like using this because my comment content is often tailored to certain niches. For example, when I want to target sports groups, I simply choose those groups and use relevant comment templates. Keyword-based comments. These feature automatically searches for posts containing the keywords you set and comments on them. For example, if your keyword is sports shoes, the tool will search for posts in groups that contain this keyword and comment for you. There are three matching options: phrase match, exact match, broad match. You can use all three, but I recommend choosing broad match so it can find more related keywords. You can also choose to react to posts before commenting. Comment replace. In this section, you can reply to comments in groups you've joined. Specific group IDs, specific post it's you can still use keyword-based triggers to automate your replies. Alright, that's quite a lot already. So now I'll run the tool to show you how it works. It won't pop up a Chrome tab because that would be inconvenient, but I'll check the results and show them to you.